In a bustling town, nestled between the hills and the sea, there was a young student named Jamie. Jamie was known for his bright mind and boundless curiosity, but he often found it challenging to concentrate on a single task. This made it difficult for him to excel in his studies. One day, while walking home from school, Jamie stumbled upon a peculiar shop. The sign above the door read, "The Focused Heart." Intrigued, Jamie stepped inside to find an old man sitting behind a counter, surrounded by books, art, and strange objects. "Welcome, young one," the old man said with a warm smile. "I've been expecting you." "Expected?" Jamie asked, surprised. "How do you know I would come?" "I see signs in people," the old man replied. "You have a heart full of curiosity, but it's scattered. Come, let me help you focus." The old man led Jamie to a quiet corner of the shop, where he picked up a small, hand-carved wooden figurine. "This is a focusing stone," he said. "It will help you concentrate on the essential." Jamie held the stone in his hand and closed his eyes, feeling a strange sensation coursing through him. When he opened his eyes, he felt a newfound clarity. He knew exactly what he needed to do to improve his studies. Over the next few weeks, Jamie practiced focusing on one task at a time. He discovered that when he focused on the essential, his learning improved dramatically. He no longer felt overwhelmed by the amount of information he had to learn. Instead, he found joy and satisfaction in mastering new concepts. One day, while studying in the library, Jamie overheard a classmate struggling with the same problem he had once faced. He approached her and shared his story, giving her the focusing stone. The girl thanked him, and Jamie felt a sense of accomplishment. From that day forward, Jamie became known as a beacon of focus in his school. He continued to use the focusing stone, and he never forgot the lesson he learned from the old man. He realized that focusing on the essential was not just about mastering a subject, but about finding clarity in a world full of distractions. And so, Jamie's journey towards mastery continued, one focused moment at a time. He learned that with focus, anything was possible. The focusing stone was more than just a tool. It was a symbol of his newfound ability to harness the power of his mind. In the end, Jamie understood that the journey to mastery was not always easy, but with a focused heart, he could conquer any challenge that came his way. And as he walked home from school each day, he would glance at the peculiar shop, knowing that the old man was always there, watching and waiting.